Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have something very unique. This is the 2017 Ford C-Max Energi. Very, very quirky vehicle. You never saw many of these. So I was shocked to see that we had one in pre-owned with under 20,000 miles on it. What does it say at now? 19,008. Magnetic metallic. C-Max was kind of going up against the Prius V, which was the hatchback Prius, based on the Focus platform. This one's really, really nice. This is the SE model. It does have its original window sticker inside. $29,595. Charcoal black leather. These are very, very rare. You never really see them out on the road. All right. Let's go ahead. Take this thing out for a ride, drive, jive. Come on. No! It's not a sliding visor. All right. Backup camera, of course. Put it into drive. Regenerative braking in this is very, how do I say this nicely? Unique. It's not... Oh, come on. Snow. There we go. It's not like you lift off and the car brakes itself. It's not one pedal unless you put it in low. You have to apply the brake, which is kind of weird. And it's very, very sensitive. Because at first it doesn't do much. As soon as you start to apply a little bit more pressure, the braking is just phenomenal. But you get a lot more brake than you probably wanted. So it just takes a little bit of getting used to. I've done 2 laps of this route. Same as what I'm about to film. And I'm used to it. I can't see. On top of the hybrid powertrain, you have a 2.0 liter four-cylinder, I believe, Atkinson, whatever, Atkinson, Atkinson cycle. Somebody's gonna correct me in the comments, please do, because I have no clue. That gasoline motor is mated to a CVT transmission. Just makes the most amount of sense for being fuel efficient and being able to disengage the motor. That and a dual clutch. Those are the 2 most common you'll see in hybrid setups. Dual clutch and CVT. Thing with electric or hybrid cars is that electric motor just provides instantaneous torque. I actually had a bit of torque steer. That was pretty interesting. I didn't even have that in my ST. Take it over these bumps, taking them about a little under 20 miles an hour. Oy, oy. Oh. said before, these aren't fun when you have to go to the bathroom. You actually get a coach on how to be more economical. It'll tell you if you're cruising well, if you're accelerating well for economy, and braking efficiently. From that, you also can grow a tree. There's what's known as efficiency leaves, and the smoother you are, the more efficient you are, the more leaves grow on the tree. It's a pretty cool concept. And it's almost like, I'm gonna date myself here. Well, not date myself, but kind of show what I grew up with. If any of you remember Webkins or Tamagotchi Pal or whatever, where you had to take care of a virtual animal, that's kind of what this is like. It's like caring for a virtual forest. So it's a pretty good mind trick to be like, oh, I can't go fast, I have to protect my tree. I want to grow some more leaves on the tree. Why did you change lane? I just grew a leaf. I just saw that. It's so gimmicky, but it's so cool. Oh, I just lost a leaf. Come back, little leaf. Gotta be nice and smooth to grow a leaf. Big leaf. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.